Hi, so I'm going to pick the winner for the yarn giveaway that I had, and you can find some of these yarns on Amazon. I'll link that down below. I just want to say thank you everybody for participating in the giveaway and commenting and subscribing. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Stephanie Pylon. Those colors are beautiful. I would love to make a baby blanket with those. Congratulations. Just contact me. My email will be down below, and I'll just need your address so I can send this out as soon as possible. And look out for any new giveaways coming out in the future. And thank you everybody for subscribing and coming back to my channel to watch new videos. I do have a few videos that I had just finished up, and a new one's coming out, and I also have old ones that are only just a few weeks old, like baby booties. I just did a summer top and a baby blocks and some other things. Just come back to my channel. I like to post a couple times a week. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching.